So this is how I make my edits. First, you go keyframe next to redo, while begin the clips, then hit basic, then put scale to 250, and do this for all clips, etc. And then I'll show you after that. So skip to a minute, I guess skip to a minute, like 1 minute in this video. Skip past to like a minute 30 seconds. Okay, next go to effects and use it shows in the video I use, and then after you do that, go back to effects again and do edge. I think that's what it says, sharpen edge, and then do edge grow, twice, then do object and do this for all the clips, do for the entire video is every clip. Next, go filters and do vibrant 2 and 1. After that, after 2, do 1, and then after that, do Kobu, and then after that, do flip. As you can see, I got the hang of this. This was a tutorial on YouTube on how to do this. It's kind of similar, but it's not quite like the video again. So yeah, see you on my next video. Okay, that's how I do oil. Bye.